Organizational development as a storm or as drizzle? I'm Jordi Robert Reeves, founder of Connecting Perspectives. We inspire professional relationships that generate new solutions for executives and their companies. Organizational development programs help you develop those leaders that will be the new blood into the company. We might discuss in another post about online versus offline, classroom, experiential, and so on. But today, let's see at the base of those programs. You're putting new perspectives into those leaders' minds. How are you basing such a training so that these perspectives get better? They connect better to those perspectives. Should the programs be designed as storm or as drizzle? Storm is very powerful. It's there, just on the day, and for sure you'll get wet. It's a powerful session and you get everyone there. Or you can design it as drizzle, which doesn't stop, keeps raining. You can avoid it, but at some point you'll have to get in touch with the water. You design the program in small bites that you deliver slowly. So what's better, the storm or the drizzle? What are your examples? Will it depend on the personality of the people you're training? Or there's a sure way of getting there wet? As usual, in a few days' time, I'll be back here giving you my opinion and summarizing your comments. Keep connecting new perspectives.